Oh shit, there's a freaking cop in front of me. Okay, chill. Time to keep it chill. Nah, I'll stay on track. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude, all it is a mid muffler and it sounds so good. Oh, there's a cop. See, I told you that dude was waiting for me. I freaking knew he was waiting for me. Oh no, I'm ditching you. I'm ditching you, bro. Alright, so welcome back to another video. Been a minute since I've done a little POV, but you know, I gotta diversify my content. Pretty much, dude, after like the one thing I want to talk about, dude, my tires. So I basically have like, I don't know if you guys can see it, my tires on 29, mostly because, dude, like I got some screw in my freaking wheel. So now like it's in a spot where I can't fix it. So my mission is just to like do as many burnout. Bro, my head's bouncing so much here for some reason. My goal is to do as many burnouts, as many, like everything you can possibly imagine. I'm just trying to run through these tires. I remember somebody in my comments was also saying like, yo, don't put it in track mode. Like, bro, I'm putting it in track mode. It is so bad in sport mode. It slips like a mofo. Dude, yeah, dude, that power doesn't get old. Yeah, it slips and crap like that, but I don't care, bro. It's freaking just so aggressive. I don't really care about this car gripping. That's not the point of this car at all, dude. You don't buy this car for grip. You buy this car because it's freaking fun. Gassing it, bro. No cops. Alright, we good, we good. This one should turn green soon. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Yes, sir. Oh my gosh. Yeah, basically, guys, dude, I'm strictly following the law every time I drive now. You know, like obviously those starts are kind of aggressive, but bro, it's an 800 horsepower car. Like I barely have to touch it for it to go like that. So basically, I'm gonna try to promote more like if you're like have a nice car and stuff, you got to get used to like driving legally, you know what I mean? Like I don't want to promote illegal activities. I'm gonna try to promote more like legal driving. But pretty much, man, I'm excited for the future, what the future holds. One thing that's really interesting is that the video with like all the M4s and, or sorry, one of the M5s, the Supras, the really good thing about that video is my click-through rate. No, not my click-through rate. My view, like my watch time is so amazing. Like the view over like, what is it called? I don't even know what it's called anymore. But pretty much, dude, like the watch time is probably the best performing watch time video I have. And dude, like I have 7% of the video, like, no, sorry, 7 minutes in the video, 40% of people are still watching. But the only issue I have with that video is the click-through rate is complete garbage. My click-through rate is like 5%, which is like way below average. Mine's like usually 10%, 8%. So it's like way below. I need to get way more tinted windows, bro. I just know I look so dumb right now. Dude, the head mount makes me look so freaking goofy, bro. So pretty much I'm finally pulling through for the payments of the exhaust. I've been kind of delaying it, dude, because I've been overthinking it so bad. But luckily, me overthinking it, like I found like the perfect setup I want to do. And I'm not gonna go too cheap with it. So like before I was like talking about it before, I was kind of like trying to be cheap with it and stuff, but I have to do an exhaust system because I just keep thinking about like how amazing the content's gonna be once I have like a full exhaust system. Like just think about it, dude. Like this car probably has one of the best sounding exhaust systems, just like best sounding cars, and I don't have it at its full potential, so I gotta change that up quick, bro. Oh, fudge. Yeah, I gotta be really careful now that I drive this car because I pretty much have destroyed the tires. Like, mostly because I need to destroy it. Like, why would I want to get a brand new tire right now if I can literally I still have tread on these? I gotta rip these literally to like so I can see the wire in the freaking tires. That's how far I plan to push this car. But pretty much, yeah, I'm finally doing exhaust system. I'm actually gonna try to get sponsored by AWE, which is gonna be dope because they actually have really good exhaust systems and they have like a huge variety, which is dope because I feel like, you know, anyone can really get one if you really wanted to. So that's the mission. Finally got a full send it. Today is actually the first day I do the first payment of this car. So I had this car for almost 2 months, not having to pay a single payment, which is freaking lit. So honestly, dude, like so far with YouTube, paying my first payment, I'm super happy. I expected it, like I didn't even expect 1K subs. You know, I expected it to take me like a couple months to get 1K, but in 5 weeks, 6 weeks, we hit 6.5K. You know, like obviously things have slowed down and stuff, but dude, it's normal. Like if you can't accept dry seasons, you're never gonna succeed, bro. Because the dry seasons, there's always a dry season. But guess what? Once there's a dry season, there's spring. You know what I mean? Like the time to harvest will come. So right now, dude, I'm enjoying the car. I got monetized now, so I'm like, you know, the money's not insane. For anyone that's expected to make a lot of money on YouTube, you don't make a lot unless you're like really popping off. And even then, like ads is whatever compared to how much more money you can make. But pretty much, I'm just excited that I can, you know, do stuff, buy more cars now for this like YouTube channel. And that's my main mission right now. Is like I'm looking for either a 1,000. Oh man, dude, I can't get over that sound. I'm looking for like a 1,000 horsepower Supra Mark IV, or a, what else I want to get? Honestly, realistically, like I like M5s, but since my buddy already has one, I need to get a Mercedes. So I'm really looking at like a C63S or E63S. But I just like, man, like I just wish I was making more money on YouTube so I can just like full set. Like realistically, dude, if I ever get to a point where I'm making like 5-10K a month from YouTube, I'm instantly buying a GT3 RS, instantly. Like, so we're gonna see, man. If I don't think anything's gonna happen anytime soon, but hey, might as well reach for the stars. You know what I mean? I got a Hellcat, so I'm happy with what I have, but you know, the goal is to expand the business. You know, like this is my goal. I need to expand. Like I keep thinking about like, man, like this Hellcat's awesome, but like what the dream is like having like 12 cars in your parking lot. You know, 12 cars, like the Porsche, Lambo, Ferrari, Dodge, freaking M5, fully yoked, GT, like Supra yoked. Like dude, that's like the dream, bro. Like fully pimped out cars of like every single branch. That is like my mission, bro. And whether YouTube pays off, I don't care. Oh my gosh, there was a dude. That 5.0 didn't even look at me, dude. I used to be obsessed with these cars. Like every time I see a Hellcat drive by me, bro, I'll freak. Oh my gosh, that's why I love downtown areas, bro. It sounds so good here. Oh man. Nah, dude, I gotta go. Dude, I'm going catless. I'm going catless for sure, bro. Oh, I can't wait. Keep back. Oh, driving school. I gotta troll this kid. I love this road right here. This is memory lane with the Supra. Yes, sir. Okay, I don't know how much we recorded, but I'm gonna try to do some drive-bys. Oh my. I'm gonna be honest, bro. This laser has saved me already a couple times. Literally next to my house has saved me. Oh my gosh. This is such a good spot because of the walls. See, that's dangerous, bro. People walking on the side, that's so sketch. Oh my gosh. One thing I will say though, driving the M5 was like, such an awesome experience because, oh shit, there's a freaking cop in front of me. Okay, chill, time to keep it chill. Nah, I'll stay on track, Does it look better? I hope it looks better in my head. I hope this video's not scuffed. Oh my gosh. Since I don't want meat with this cop, I'm gonna dip. My entire dish is full. I'll go back here actually. I just want there to be some more cars in front of me because, dude, like, I have all my paperwork and stuff, but oh, dude, all it is a mid muffler and it sounds so good. Oh, there's a cop. See, I told you that dude was waiting for me. I freaking knew he was waiting for me. Oh no, I'm ditching you. I'm ditching you, bro. I need dip now. I need dip, bro. I need to dish this fool. I have no clue where to go. Oh my gosh, it's a dead end. I know for a fact that cop did a U-turn for me, bro. I know for a fact. Man, this video turned into a whole different thing, bro. I didn't expect this. Like, I literally was calling out that cop. I knew that fool heard me. And he's just on the other side of the road, chilling on the side. You can't tell me both these freaking... Oh, dude, that's another dead end. If this is a dead end, dude, I give up. I'm gonna wait this cop out. I'm not getting state ref today, bro. And I got mid muffler too. This looks a little bit more promising. Actually, yeah, it is promising. Okay, good. Yeah, dude, there is another road. Let's go. We found an exit. Let's go. Oh, S-Series, bro. That's clean. I really want to drive by that. I want to see if that cop's still there. I'm gonna get on the freeway. I'm gonna drive by literally just to see if the cop's still there. Cause there's no, I don't know. I just never seen a cop just chill there. Even in eco mode, I gotta be careful. This car freaking whines. But yeah, pretty much now I just gas up to the speed limit. I don't go over the speed limit anymore. I don't know if you noticed too. I'm no longer short on miles per hour just because, like, I really don't want to dig myself a hole. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, the cop's gone. Oh my gosh, that guy's dude, that guy's, I'm telling you right now, that guy is looking for me. He was there. He was just over there. I'm telling you right the freak now, that guy's looking for me. I freaking knew it. Now, hopefully I don't just come up on this guy by accident. I mean, I haven't done anything wrong, realistically. You know what I mean? Like, cops out here, bro, be giving people freaking random crap. So I'm not trying to deal with that. Actually, before I end up the video, I'm gonna actually enter the freeway. Do some pulls in the freeway. Because, like, I enter the freeway in this car is probably like, that's what's so OP about this car is just the end, dude. Entering the freeway is just so lit. You go from like 80 to 130 in like, bro, seconds, bro. It's freaking scary. Oh, there's a cop in front of me. Every time it's KA, bro, there's a cop somewhere. Oh, fudge. I'm trying to keep it chill because if he hears my exhaust, bro. Nah, I don't see no cop right now. Okay, wait, in front of me? Hold on. I'm so paranoid right now, bro. I see nothing, and the signal's gone. Yeah, dude, I don't even know. Whatever, dude. Whatever. Yeah, usually when I go on these type of drives, I usually I have like some expectation. I might come up with some nice car, but today, dude, there's like no cars today. There's no nice cars, so. Oh my goodness! Pretty much every time I go driving, I always see like nice cars, and then I just connect with them because I mean there's like mutual respect right away, you know, because I have a Hellcat, and you know, it's just automatic respect because of the status, you know, because the car has status, it holds value, which, you know, is the truth. Obviously it depreciates, but you know, it does hold. Oh my gosh, I thought I just saw a cop. Bro, I thought it was a cop behind me. Dude. Okay, I think I'm done for the day, bro. I gotta relax. But pretty much, dude, it holds, you know, value. And I mean, it costs, I mean, it's not easy to afford, but it, you know, it is part of the journey. It's like any business you start, it's always hard. Like that's just part of the deal, and you always got to invest before you make money. But like I said, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.